Hi, here's how you whip the end of a natural fiber rope. Here I have a manila rope, and whipping does not mean to whip with the rope. It just means to properly care for the end of a rope. Do you see how the three strands are starting to unravel like this? Well, it's going to continue to do so, making use of this rope nearly impossible, or at least very difficult. So how do you fix this? Well, you need to whip the end of the rope. Here's how you do it. Take a small piece of string like this, small in diameter. So the first step is that you take the string and you form a bight. Next, place the bight over the end of the rope, making sure that the open end of the bight is closest to the end of the rope. Now, I'm going to use my thumb to hold that in place as I start to make the first couple of turns, like so. And I'm keeping this end here out on purpose, and you'll see why in a few moments. Now, as I keep on wrapping around and around, notice that the string is neither crossing over the previous wraps, nor is it being too careless. Okay? Rather, each wrap is adjacent to the one previous to it. I'm going to keep on doing it until I run out of string. Now I'm going to tug my string through the bight like this and just leave it there. This is where this end comes in. Now I'm going to pull this end like so, and the string that I tuck through the bight keeps it from coming apart. That is how you whip the end of the rope. You would cut off the ends of the string and the rope as you cut it very close to here, and now you have a secured end that won't unravel.